Today, we are at one of my favorite condominium complexes in Incline Village, Nevada. We are at the Forest Pines Condominium Complex. And what I really like about this condominium complex is we're like 2 blocks from the beach. So Ski Beach and Incline Beach are right down the road, just a short little scroll away. It's really great. And this complex, there's two phases. There's phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1, there's 1 to 88. So there's 88 units in phase 1. And then there's 42 units in phase 2. So if you're coming to Forest Pines, make sure you find out if there's a 1 or 2 in front of your number, because you don't want to be going to 2.6 when you're supposed to be at 1.6 like this unit. So is that in the weeds enough for you? Anyway, so about 130 units total. Complex does have a swimming pool, which is really nice because there's some days on the lake when it's a little bit breezy and you don't want to be out on the water. You can just come down here and go to the pool and you're going to be good to go. Everybody's entertained, right? So what I like about the units, most of them are 3-bedroom, 2 baths. We do have some 4-bedroom units in here and a few 1-bedroom units. So they're mixed in, but I think like 80% of them are going to be a 3-bedroom, 2 bath, very similar to the one I'm about to look at today, which is listed for $1,290,000. It does come completely furnished and is on a short-term rental program already. So you can just roll that right in if you want to do short-term rentals here. Should work out great. And we are in Washoe County on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. So you don't have to worry about not being able to rent your property out because you can just get a new permit and just keep rolling on. If you're in Douglas County, the other side of the lake, they limit the areas to the rentals. So I like the north side of the lake if you want to do short-term rentals better. And these, because it has a swimming pool, it's so close to the beach and so close to all the restaurants in town, not everybody has to drive. So it's really great. You could ride your bike, you could do whatever you need to do, walk, whatever works for you, but it's really close. The location is great and these units and the floor plan is pretty convenient. So let's go check it out and I'll show you what Forest Pines looks like. Again, it's listed for $1,290,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 bath, 1,253 square feet. So let's go check it out. So before we go in, if this is your first time to the channel, go ahead, subscribe below, click on the notifications bell, and you'll be the first one notified when I put out another video about the current real estate market situation on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. Hey everybody, it's Tahoe Tony. My real name is Tony Tuoto, but I go by Tahoe Tony to keep it simple. I'm the managing broker for eXp Realty in Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada. And every day my team and I get emails, text messages, and phone calls for people just like you looking to make the move to Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada. And we love it. So if you're thinking about coming in 6 days, 6 weeks, or 6 months, go ahead and reach out to me. Let me know. I'll get you on the schedule. I'll start sending you some videos, some properties to look at, and we'll get you started because I guarantee this will be the best move you've ever had. So before we go in, I want to show you one thing. This is where you put your trash. So if you're staying here, you just take your trash and put it here, and then each day they come out and they take that to the trash bin for you. So one of the conveniences of staying in the Forest Pines or owning the Forest Pines. So let's go check it out. So this is the downstairs of Forest Pines. So you walk in, just a couple steps there, which is nice. You come into the living room. Kind of the old school great room. These were built in 1971. So everything's gonna be a little bit old school. They've got a wood burning fireplace here. And this does come furnished. So if you're looking into furnishings, they're included on the price of $1,290,000. We get out of the living room. What I do like about this though, they have beautiful big windows here. There's skylights in the ceiling. So a lot of natural light in this unit, which is great. I love natural light. A little bit of a dining room here. It's actually a pretty good sized dining room for a smaller condo. You know, we're at 1,253 square feet. So it's a good dining room. Again, more natural light coming in there. I love that. I just can't get enough natural light. Come into the kitchen. Nice galley kitchen. I like that. Your refrigerator, your stove, your sink. Everything's an easy range. Some people have cabinets here. They probably took them down or they'll hang wine glasses here or anything to make more use of the space. And this unit is on a vacation rental program, like I said. So everything is set up for vacation rentals here. So if you want to snatch this and just start rolling on that, you're good to go. If you want to know what they're making on the rental program, just let me know. I'll reach out to you personally. I don't want to put that out on the air because that's semi-private information, right? But now let's go check out. One of the cool things about this is the primary bedroom is on the main floor. So if you have somebody not really good with stairs, this is really convenient for them because they can just come right in here. They don't have to go upstairs for the other 2 bedrooms. So downstairs, we've got the primary bedroom and bath, and upstairs there's 2 bedrooms and another bath and a laundry. Let's go check out the primary bedroom. So this is the primary bedroom. I like it. It's pretty good size for a smaller condo. This looks like a king size bed. Again, we've got natural light over here. So I really love having natural light in your room. We've got a ceiling with tone groove. It looks like a cedar up there. Gives us a nice Tahoe feel. If you want to dress this up, you can do a nice bedspread. Not the biggest closet I've ever seen in a condo. I can walk in it because it's just right there. There's no clothes in it. But if you put clothes in there, you wouldn't be able to walk in. So it's not a walk-in closet. But there is plenty of room along this wall if you want to do an armoire or nice dressers and put a big flat screen TV on top of that. You've got plenty of room to do that here because there's they've already got a little desk. So you've got plenty of moving space in between. So let's check out the bathroom. Again, you don't have any step in. You don't like that. You've got a nice counter. This looks like it's been updated. Maple in here with a nice stone countertop. We've got a tub and shower, nice and clean. Looks like all be updated. Nice hardwood floors. Looks like a white oak, a white stained oak. So very convenient. Everything on the one floor. I like that. So everything's set up for you to show up and start enjoying Tahoe. So before we go upstairs, I want to show you something really quick. We do have a guest coat closet here. So if you got guests coming in, you put stuff in there, or you could store your skis in there, your snowboard, or whatever you need to do. Another thing I want to point out about this unit, it has electric baseboard heat. So it's not forced air like most of the units are. So it's electric baseboard heat. They do have a wood burning fireplace, so you can supplement with that. And being that it's a smaller unit like this and you've got a unit next door, it's going to help hold the heat in. So should be nice and cozy in the wintertime. And right now, you don't need to worry about that because it's a perfect 73 degrees outside. It's August in Lake Tahoe. It's perfect. I love it. I'll live for this month. So right now, we're going to go upstairs and check out the other two bedrooms, the other bath, and then the laundry. We are in the second upstairs bedroom right now. I love it. It's got a little balcony out here. So somebody wants to sit out there and drink their coffee in the morning, you can do that. But I love all the natural light it produces. You do have a big beam here, so tall people do not want to stay in this room. If you got somebody over 6'8", maybe, you probably don't want them here, but how many people are that tall, right? Basic room, decent sized closet. You've got your baseboard heater. They've got another fan here to help people comfortable. But what I like is you don't want your guests to be too heavy here because they never want to leave. So this is a good room. They can be comfortable, but they're not going to stay forever. So you don't have to worry about that. All right, let's go check out the other bedroom and then the bath. So this is the third bedroom. Again, we've got more natural light coming in with the window. We don't have to worry about the beam here unless you've got somebody over 8 feet tall, which hopefully this happens. But it might be a king size bed. This looks big, maybe a king or queen, I'm not sure. But significantly bigger than the other bedroom. Good sized closet. You've got your fan in here. Electric baseboard heat, so people should be quite comfortable in this room. And now we're going to check out the bathroom. So this is the bathroom, and it's serving these two bedrooms upstairs. Looks like it's been updated a little bit. Looks good. They've got a nice tub and shower here. Looks great. The sinks all updated, some brushed nickel, and it's bright. I liked it. The little lights in here are really bright. Sometimes these third bathrooms get really dark, but this one is really bright. And maybe even a little heater in there, and we'll see if that works. But if you want to back up, see that we'll show you the laundry room here. This is the laundry room. And it looks like a nice stack washer and dryer here, and your heater. So everything's compact, tight, and ready to go. And this is Forest Pines Condo. But before we go, I'm going to go downstairs and tell you some more great things about the complex. So some of the other great reasons I like Forest Pines, like I said, I mentioned they have the swimming pool, but they also have boat parking. So down at the bottom of the complex, you just talk to the manager, and if you have a boat, if you want to store here for a few nights or for however long, you let them know, and you can store it there, which is really convenient because the boat storage is always full, like, over in Tahoe Vista, it's always full. And then they even have a rack down there I just saw. So if you have like a stand-up paddleboard or a kayak, you could lock it on there. Again, just talk to the manager and get reservations for that. So if you want to come up to Tahoe with all your toys, there's room for that here. I love that. I love the simplicity of the Forest Pines. It's very well managed too, which I like. Some of the complexes, they don't take really good care of the yard. They don't take really good care of the property. They put all new siding in the last 2 years down here, and the roofs have been updated. So it's in really good shape as far as the outside. And being that this is a condo, if you own this, the dues, I believe, are $530 a month. So that covers all your outside maintenance, the insurance on the building, insurance outside. So as a homeowner, all you would have to have is renter's insurance. So you cover the belongings, and then if the building burns down, hopefully it doesn't, but the homeowner association has insurance on that. So you are responsible for that as a homeowner. So a little bit nice, convenient for you. The walkways and everything are shoveled. There's there's amount of parking. Does not have a garage. That's one of the things, bit of a bummer, but there's no room for garages in here because they've got all the units in here. So little bit of an inconvenience, but I think it's far outweighed by the fact that you're so close to the beaches. You've got the swimming pool with the boat parking, 3 bedrooms here, which is nice. If you're doing vacation rental, you can, charge more money because you have more beds to sleep. And all in all, a great property listed for $1,290,000. And the tax is, I believe the taxes are $2,953 or whatever this number is above my head of the taxes for the year. I think it's $2,953, but whatever that number is, those are the taxes. So this is Forest Pines, and I hope you like my video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those below, and I'll see you in the next one. Tahoe Tony.